Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the first of one of these kinds of videos on my channel. So we're gonna see how it goes. So I recently ordered a bunch of palettes from ColourPop on Black Friday Black Friday weekend because they had so many great sales going on. I think their palettes, if I can recall correctly, were like 30% off. There were some that were like 60% off, but in any case, the deals were really great, and I ended up getting 3 palettes for under $30, if I remember correctly, but I'm almost positive that's true. So I really just wanted to try out one of these palettes today on video just to see how I liked it. I have purchased from ColourPop before, but this is the first time I'm purchasing any of these palettes, so we will see what they're like. And it's kind of just like a review slash first impression slash let's see if I can put this on my face video. Before I begin, I wanted to show you the 3 palettes that I did end up getting just so you can see the colors and, you know, what they look like. So the first one is the LIKEtoKNOW.it palette. It is, as you can guess, a purple shade palette. I did mess around with it a little last night, so it is a little messy. But here is the colors. They are so cute. I really like this iffy color, this one right here. I think it is so pretty. Purple isn't necessarily a color that I wear quite often, but I saw the colors in this palette and I was like, I have to have it, even if it's just to mess around with, because this is just so pretty. I'm obsessed. Next is the Give It To Me Straight palette. This, if I can be quite honest, is probably the palette that I will use most often because it is neutral colors. So pretty. Many of the palettes that I have are neutral, but I don't believe that I have any with these shades in it. A lot of my palettes are also matte colors, and these have a few shimmer in it. I really liked this candid color right there. So pretty. And lastly, which is the palette that I'm going to test out today, is the Strawberry Shake palette, which, as you can guess, is going to be shades of pink and red. I'm so excited about this, you have no idea. The second that I ordered these, I'm like that meme where you're literally like waiting at the door, waiting for your package to arrive. That was actually me. The first things first, I just wanted to swatch some of the colors just to see what they look like. So pretty. That is the Take a Sip color right in the middle there. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. And then there is the Berry Fine in the bottom corner there. How stinking cute. I am so excited. I want to tell you that this will be a kind of subtle eye look that I'm going to do, but I can't tell you that because I don't really know what I'm doing. We're just going to find out and see what the final result is after I put it all on my face. So I did prep my face ahead of time with primer and everything, so you're not going to see that on video, so we're just going to dive right into the eye makeup first. So here we go. So I actually also bought a set of brushes from Morphe the other day as well. I don't remember the set name off the top of my head, but I'll leave the link to that in the description below if you want to check that out. But in any case, those are the brushes that I'm going to be using today for the most part. So first I'm going to use Paper Straw as my base. I'm actually like really surprised with how pigmented this is. I feel like normally lighter colors don't have that much pigment to it, but even with just putting a little bit on this brush, I got a really pigmented look. So next I'm going to try the whipped color up here. Like I said before, I don't really know what I'm going for here. I'm kind of just mixing some colors together and we'll see what the final product is. Next, I'm going to try this daiquiri for the outside. And then to give it some shimmer, I'm going to go in with Delish. I just used Take a Sip for under my waterline. So now that my work with the palette is done, let me do the rest of my makeup and we'll see if I need to touch up anything and we'll see how it looks. So I have to say, overall the colors in this palette were definitely a lot more pigmented than I thought. I ended up using 4 or 5 different colors for this look. It's a bit more dramatic than I originally planned, but I think I kind of like it. This is my first time playing around with shades like this, and I think it turned out not too bad, if you ask me. I've said this a million times before, but I'm no makeup professional. I am an amateur that enjoys playing around with makeup and testing out new products and putting it on my face for the world to either laugh at or learn from. You choose. If you want to see looks with the Lilac You A Lot or the Give It To Me Straight palette, be sure to follow me on Instagram because I am sure I will post looks to my Instagram page. And maybe if you want to see videos using these palettes, just comment below and let me know because I'd be more than happy to do so. If there are any other palettes out there or any other makeup out there that you would like to see me try, again, comment or let me know. I would be more than happy to try it out. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe and click the bell to be notified whenever I post, which is at least once a week at this point. And until next time, make sure you follow me on social media and always reach out. I like making new friends. So thanks for watching along and see you next time.